No, that's what I'm talking about. No, that's what I'm talking about.
Right off the bat, it's a almost perfect pickle. You know, all the ingredients in it, it's really just a wonderful symphony of flavor in this pickle. I mean, usually when I buy pickles, I put a lot of hot sauce in there and stuff to try and make it like this pickle. So, I'm not gonna lie, they knocked it out of the park with this one. I would give it a 8 out of 10, maybe a 9, to be honest. I don't know. See, 10 out of 10 pickle, that's really gonna have to like knock my socks off. So, give it an 8.5 out of 10. Highly recommend Majestic Pickles. It lives up to their name. And yeah,